Hisense range, adjusting the oven temperature settings. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your range. Get acquainted with your new Hisense range's cooking performance before adjusting the thermostat temperature. While your new Hisense range is calibrated for accurate performance, recipe times and temperatures may differ from your prior brand. It may take a few weeks to understand and acclimate to the oven's cooking performance. Relying solely on store-bought thermometers to verify oven temperature accuracy is not recommended. If your Hisense range isn't cooking to your preference, here's how to adjust the thermostat temperature settings. On the control panel, press and hold the cooking time button for 3 seconds. A settings menu with left and right arrows will be displayed at the top and bottom of the screen. Use the arrow keys to scroll through the menu until you see OFS and the Fahrenheit symbol. The oven temperature can be changed from -30 degrees to +30 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the bottom set left or right arrow keys to change the numeric value to your preference. Once set, confirm the change by pressing the Start button. Different cooking methods, such as convection bake, convection roast, and air fry, produce varying end results. On Hisense ranges, convection modes automatically adjust the displayed temperature to reflect a 25-degree Fahrenheit difference compared to the selected setting. For instance, selecting a convection bake setting of 350 degrees Fahrenheit will show 325 degrees Fahrenheit on the control panel display once it reaches the set temperature. Continue to adjust the thermostat temperature settings to your preference as needed. Adjusting the oven's thermostat temperature setting does not affect the broiler's function or temperature. To achieve optimal cooking results, follow recipe instructions and preheat the oven as directed. Not preheating the oven may result in undercooked food. To help prevent uneven baking, always level the range. When using a gas range, ensure the gas shutoff valve behind the appliance is fully open. Note, in the event of a power outage, your Hisense range's thermostat temperature settings will be preserved and will not reset to the manufacturer's default settings. You are now ready to use your Hisense range.